Hi, old woodhacker. Do you have track clamps or Microjig clamps, the original, that when you're trying to clamp them, the clamp head falls just as you're trying to hold it and clamp another piece of wood or attach your clamp to your track or to a jig? Well, I think I've come up with a quick solution. I know you can get some fancy Microjig clamps with this little attachment on it. But I thought I'd give it a try with some springs. So simply cut a little bit of a spring and I wrap it around the clamp, and what it does is it does give a little bit of a friction to the clamp head, so that if it does fall, it doesn't fall all that far from your fingers. You can still do one-handed operation of your clamp. Um, and I've done it with both the Microjig clamps and my track saw clamps, or my ratchet clamps there. As you can see, I'll show you in a moment. And it seems to work pretty good. I don't have the clamp heads dropping when I'm just trying to clamp the onto the jig or onto a table. And even I didn't show it in this video, but I did put two springs, one on either side of the clamp head, and just in case you're using it, the clamp in reverse position or upside down, whatever you want to call it. And I find it really is helpful, and since it's not much of a spring, it doesn't take up any space or reduce your clamping range. So if you like this hack, let me know, or if you don't like it, let me know too in the comments. And thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed my little hack for your clamps.